Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, yes. I may be allowed to include this petition, Lordship, with the instruction.
Your microphone is not on. Yes, okay, okay then.
Item number 5, Lordship, I may be allowed to do this petition, Lordship, with liberty.
The petitioner got arrested or what? Yeah, under instructions. Oh. Heard Mr. M. Khan, the learned consequently petition. And also heard Mr. P. Bhattakur, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of suit respondent. As per the instructions of his client, he wants to withdraw this instances. Okay, it will be disposed of on withdrawal.
May it please your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Lordship.
8.
Yes, Lordship. Matter may
yes.
be allowed to withdraw with liberty to file a fresh, Lordship.
This also want to withdraw? What's
Yes,
your good name?
MS Mondal.
MS Mondal.
Yes, Lordship.
You are appearing on behalf of Mr.
No, Lordship.
DA?
My name is Reflex.
No,
My name is
which
not
item
reflected
number?
in the
Which
contract.
item number?
Item number 8, Lordship.
08.
Yes, Lordship. Mr. D.A. Kayum's name is reflected in the cost list.
What else?
But we have also filed the Vakalatnama, Lordship.
Your name is DA Kayum.
No, Lordship. My name is MS Mondal.
So appearing on behalf of DA Kayum.
I have filed the Vakalatnama, Lordship, but subsequently. I
Now
was
so we
not-
cannot say it, your name is not reflected.
Okay, Lordship.
You are Mr. MS?
Mondal.
Heard Mr. MS Mondal appearing on behalf of Mr. DA Kayum, but the same type of order. Okay, you are on to liberty.
Yes.
Liberty to file a fresh volume. Okay.
Mail. Final petition Monday to last listed on 17/7 madam. Your lordship has not received the funding payment.
Okay.
And there was not listed till Monday madam. That is Monday madam.
Monday, we have some problem because Monday court will not sit in the first. Tuesday, Wednesday, up to Wednesday, it's full. Mention matters. Maybe at best on Thursday. At best.
And the last 35 days we have papers.
Okay, anyway,
And
at best on Thursday.
Listed today madam. One of the co-accused persons madam.
Whatever on Thursday only. Thursday. Yes. Hey, take it on matter. Please come. Did you mention or?
Lordship,
Yes.
listing of a bail application, Lordship, on Thursday, Lordship.
Yes.
They release motion BA. Number 1.
Yes,
My lord,
Mr.
I
Putta.
have two accused. They are behind the bar for 33 days, Lordship.
Huh.
And co-accused in the same FIR has already been granted bail. As annexed the order, Lordship, as annex of 4. My FIR is regarding this is a case of theft and keeping the stolen articles as alleged.
But these all stolen articles were recovered from your position.
One of 20 batteries out of 48 so-called stolen articles, Lordship. I am a battery dealer. I have a license, trade license, Lordship. And
You
I-
may be a battery dealer, but how can you take the all stolen?
No, those are old batteries, Lordship. It
Ah.
is in the FIR itself, the buyback system. Rather, accused number 1, he has supplied the batteries to airport. He was supposed to take back, but it was not found on that day. That fact has been mentioned in the FIR itself, Lordship.
FI is at page?
FIR is at page 19. Sorry, Lordship, page 13. Page 13 is the translated copy. And page 17 is the original FIR. The batteries were last seen in November 2024.
Hmm.
At the airport, these batteries are meant for buyback by the contractor. I am the officially contractor supplying the batteries. I have supplied the batteries, 50 batteries, and I was supposed to take them. But when I asked for the batteries, it was not found. So that matter, there is neither any decision registered, not detailed, it has been at least referred in this case. Then 20 batteries were recovered from the petition number 2. Those are the old batteries. I am collecting one from the domestic for repairing and refurbishing. Already, Lordship, 33 days, Lordship, sorry. We are in the jail. Simple allegation of theft and keeping the stolen articles alleged. Even Lordship, I was to refer Lordship, page 21. The police forwarding report. The grounds of remand at para 2. After the excise batteries of airport authority and took the stolen 48 Emerald batteries out of the airport campus with the permission of the electrical department, accused Ajay Kumar Das. So Ajay Kumar Das has already been granted bail Lordship by this court. I have annexed the last order Lordship at page 23. Considering the period of detention, this court has, honorable court has granted bail to Ajay Kumar Das. And we are ready to cooperate for further investigation if any required.
So otherwise, you two are the contractor who used to supply.
I one petition number 1 is the contractor.
Ah.
Petition number 2 is a battery dealer at Goripur town. He used to collect these old batteries, refurbish them, and used to either recharge or sell. And allegedly, these batteries were stolen in the November. And the FIR was lodged in the month of July. Sorry, June. And
So as per CJL is how many batteries were recovered from your
20.
position?
20. Petition
That
number
is from
2.
petition number 2.
I am giving the trade license and one this supply order of petition number 1 Lordship. I have got the supply order through GM, 15 numbers of batteries. On that day when I asked for the return of the batteries, then they could locate that the old batteries are not there. We are ready to cooperate, Lordship. Will abide by any condition, Lordship. These two are young men, and our livelihood, our battery shop has been closed.
Yes, what? Yes. Page 19.
And regarding serial number 6 here.
Hmm.
So these are position of the previous position of the previous policy. These figure is one of the one from outside at this person. Don't use the one. And stolen from CR.
With the help of another accused person, Ajay Kumar Das, electric in charge of Group CR. So, my lord, all are my lord entangled in
Connected.
connected.
Ajay Kumar Das was enlarged on bail, Lordship, on the only on the ground of period of detention. Yes.
Thank you. Balak Komadi. Heard Mr. S.K. Poddar, the learned counsel for a petition. And also heard Mr. P. Botaku, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. AC বন্ধ নকৰিব AC বন্ধ নকৰিব ফেনটো কৰক খালি it is submitted by Mr. Poddar, the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the present two accused petitioners has not committed any such offense as alleged in the FIR. It is a fact that the petition number 1 is a contractor and he who used to supply the batteries and in the and he was supposed to take back the old batteries from the airport authority which were earlier supplied by him. But whether he asked for the return of the battery, no.
No,
In that regard, I would like to point out again serial number 7 of that forwarding report.
Yes.
If he is the during investigation, the alleged accused person could not submit valid documents
Hmm.
regarding the cigar article that is stolen.
Stolen. No, you asked for any return of the battery earlier, no.
We have, when it is according to the batteries act, Lordship, we have to purchase the buyback. all the battery dealers are bound to purchase the old casings.
Mm.
So when I said I have to suppose to purchase the old batteries, then they searched. And it is mentioned in the FIR also, Lordship.
And and he was supposed to take back the batteries, old batteries. But when he searched for him, then only the authorities had noticed that 40 numbers of batteries were missing from the position of the accused number 1, Ajay, na? He is Ajay Kumar Das, or who is he?
Ajay Kumar Das.
Ajay Kumar Das,
Electric in charge of the OHCR.
who was in charge of the old batteries. He further submitted that the accused petitioner number 2 is the battery dealer who used to purchase the old batteries, and after he accordingly he received those batteries from the he as per you, he received the batteries from whom?
No, we are purchasing from the locally, Lordship. Or the dealers were used to change their batteries.
No, airport batteries were recovered from
Those are not airport batteries, Lordship. According to us, those are not airport batteries, Lordship. Those are the normal used batteries, inverter batteries, and this auto rickshaw. Mainly, these are auto rickshaw batteries, Lordship. E-rickshaw batteries, Lordship. The coming for charge, coming for refurbishing, Lordships.
And you listen, petition number 2. Petition number 2 is a battery dealer who used to purchase the old batteries and old batteries, but this is not a case that they have taken out they have received the stolen batteries from the airport authority. However, some of the batteries have been seized from the person of the accused petitioner number 2, but those batteries were not the batteries which were received, which were alleged to have been stolen from the airport authority. Full stop. Further, he submitted that the prime accused, that is the accused number 1, Ajay Kumar Das, has already been granted bail, considering his length of detention, who was the custodian of the old batteries in the airport of the airport authority. Full stop. Next paragraph. Mr. Poddar further submitted that these 2 accused petitioners are behind the bars since last 33 days, and hence, considering his their length of detention also, they may be released on bail. Full stop. I got sufficient opportunity to interrogate both the accused petitioners, keeping them in custody, and hence, further custodial interrogation may not be necessary for the interest of the investigation. However, both the petitioners are ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case if they are granted with the privilege of bail. Next paragraph, Mr. Botaku, Delaney additional PP submitted in this regard that these 2 accused petitioners are also involved in receiving and stealing the battery from the airport authority in connivance with the accused number 1, who was the custodian of or in charge of the old batteries of the airport authority. Mr. Botakur also pointed out the ground of arrest and the point number 6 of the ground of arrest, wherefrom also it is seen that the accused petition number 2 had received those batteries from the accused petition number 1, and with the help of the electric in charge of Rupchi Airport, that is the accused number 1. Further, he submitted that during investigation, the alleged accused persons could not submit any valid documents regarding the seizure of those the batteries. Mr. Botakur accordingly submitted that further custodial interrogation may be required for the interest of the investigation. Accordingly, he submitted that CD may be called for, which may reveal the actual fact of the case. Next paragraph. Considering the submission made by learned counsel for both sides, considering the materials available in the case record, and also considering the fact that the accused number 1 has already granted bail by this court, and on the ground of parity, as well as considering the length of detention already undergone by the accused petitioners. I find that further custodial interrogation may not be necessary for the interest of the investigation. Same order for okay, will be under bail.
Obliged, Lordship. May I request for a copy of the order, Lord, because
That we cannot say, we are moving a bit early today. If it is, or I'll try to put my signature in today by today itself
Yes.
before 1, because by 1 I'll leave it.
Lordship.
That's
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 2.
May I please the lordship, this is a regular bail application, lordship. Here, the petitioner are women, lordship. The
petitioner,
petition-
only petitioner, sir.
Yes, lordship, two petitioners, lordship.
Ah.
Here, lordship, one is lordship 45, the another is 43 years, lordship, behind the bar, lordship, since last 15 days, lordship, unnecessarily, lordship.
Since when they are in custody?
5/7/25, lordship,
For say near about 15 days.
15 days.
Near about 15 days.
Yes,
Okay.
lordship.
Hmm.
Totally unnecessary, lordship. The FIR reveal everything, lordship. So, lordship, may kindly come to the FIR, lordship, page 13,
Page?
lordship.
13.
13, lordship, 2 pages FIR, lordship.
Hmm.
FIR lodged by the ASI of police, lordship, of Hilamara Police Station, lordship. I am reading the FIR. With due respect and with reference to the subject mentioned above, today, 2/7/25 at around so and so in the morning, a person from so and so place throw his mobile number so and so, that some agitated crowd is attempting to assault a man and a woman, therefore police presence is urgently required. Accordingly, the officer in charge of a police station made a diary entry regarding the above incident, instructed me to rescue the said man and woman. Following the order, I proceeded the spot of the incident in a police vehicle number so and so along with the police staff, lordship, so and so. Upon reaching the spot, we found that a man and a woman were tied up and being assaulted by the villagers. Immediately, we apprehended we approached and rescued them from the ongoing attack, brought them into the vehicle, taken them to the police station. At that moment, from among the crowd present at the scene, the following individual, who are the accused number 1, introduced himself as a member of Hilamara Police Station, Citizens Committee, and accused number 2, Malinga Dole, claimed to be a member of TMPK from Dhemaji district. They are not the petitioners, lordship. They are the accused number 1 and 2, lordship. They both stated that they would resolve the matter themselves and under no circumstances would allow us to take the person, both men and women, to the police station. Thereafter, they were repeatedly persuaded in various ways, both of them refused to comply. They, with the help of the below mentioned associate, forcefully pulled the man and female individual out of the vehicle with the intention to assaulting them. At that moment, when I and the staff accompanying me tried to intervene, they obstructed us in discharge our official duties and assaulted us. They also attempted to snatch the rifle from APBN so and so, and they are injured in his left arm, and women police personnel so and so suffered injuries in her cheek. And lordship, that both the victim, namely Pranav Dole, resident of so and so, and the Nijora Dole, both persons are assaulted, serious injuries on various parts of the bodies. Lordship, actually the victim, lordship, mentioned below, lordship, they have the extramarital affairs, lordship. They have their own families, lordship. And the villagers were present, lordship, during that time, lordship.
So who were asked
make
asked
a
you to
decision.
interfere in their family matters or in their personal matters?
The husband
They
was
may
present,
have some
lordship.
extramarital affairs and all. You are
The
not
husband
supposed
was
to.
present, lordship. The
Whatever.
villagers were present, lordship. And one villager
You are
called
not
to the
supposed to
police
assault
station.
the man and a woman.
Because
They,
lordship, around-
even they have any affairs and all.
Around 200-300 people were present, lordship.
Okay.
And
Anyway, yes,
the
bottom.
present petitioner.
You are on
the-
8 and 9. Accused number 8 and 9. You are the
No,
FNM
no,
accused.
No, lordship. Accused number 1, here petitioner number 1 is not the named FI accused, lordship. And
Not the name affair.
not the name FI, lordship. Accused number 8, lordship, is the petitioner number 2 here, Lordship.
And 9 is one, my lord.
And they are the female person, Lordship. No way connected with the offense, Lordship. They are the spectator only, Lordship. Around 200-300 person are present, Lordship, of the village, Lordship.
Okay, yes, Bhattakur.
Otherwise, my lord, they are both are accused, FIR named accused persons, my lord. What they have done, my lord, they have not only, my lord, they are so brutal in a violent manner, my lord, they attacked all those two victimized persons.
Hmm.
Not only attacked, my lord, when police come there to rescue, my lord,
Hmm.
both the victimized person from the police custody also, my
Yes,
lord.
they taken up.
And thereafter, my lord, they also snatched the rifle of the police personnel and also, my lord, assaulted police personnel also.
Lordship.
And their FIR name, my lord, maybe they are women, but my lord, this is.
Yes, now this
Lordship,
is what we
this
call is
allegation
moral
against-
police giri.
Yes,
Lordship,
yes.
specific allegation against two accused person, Lordship.
They are the
mentioned,
village
Lordship.
committee member, but they are also participated in the. Anyway, we're calling for the medical report also.
Yes.
Short
Yes.
date may be given, Lordship.
We don't have any such sorted. What can be given? Yes, Bhattakur.
Hello. 31st of August, 31 is, but 31 it also, my lord. Is 31 is.
31 due. Fine. Okay, 30.
Much obliged.
City call. Really. Short করবো ডিপোটি সাবমিশন বেশি দেরি হলে ঠিক তো
Lordship, the petitioner was arrested under section 309 subclause 4, 304 subclause 2 and 3 subclause 5 of BNS, Lordship. The petitioner was arrested on 7th of July 2025, Lordship. The FIR is at Lordship page number 16, Lordship, and type copy is page number 10, Lordship. May I read the FIR, Lordship?
Yes, yes.
Lordship, with due respect, I would like to inform you that on 7th of July at around 12:30 am, I along with Mainul Haq was transporting broiler chicken in a vehicle bearing registration number so and so. While we are reaching Laluk Medical Sariali, NS15, three unidentified individuals obstructed our path, brandished sharp weapons and threatened us and demanding money. Fearing for our lives, we handed over rupees 7,500. Further, the three miscreants demanded broiler chicken. Firstly, they demanded 5 kg, then 10 kg, and lastly demanded 50 kg and assaulted Monul and snatched 3-4 broiler chicken from the vehicle. Somehow, we immediately informed the Laluk police station over the phone, and the police apprehended the 3 accused persons. After apprehended by the police, we came to know the name of the accused person, namely Sumsang Setia, Tushar Pratim Hazarika, and Manas Pratim Hazarika. Lordship, I am for the Manas Pratim Hazarika, Lordship, in this case, Lordship. And Lordship, the petitioner is a student, Lordship. He studied in MSW in Nerim College, Lordship, and and nothing was recovered from his possession, Lordship. Neither the amount of 7,500 or broiler chicken, Lordship. And Lordship,
From whom recovered? Scissor list annexed? You have annexed scissor list?
in Lordship, if Lordship see the forwarding report, Lordship,
Hmm.
page number 17, annex 2, Lordship, ground of arrest, Lordship. The amount of rupees 650 recovered from the possession of the accused Manas Pratim Hazarika and an amount of 7,000 recovered from the
So it is
possession.
recovered.
Yes.
Lordship,
Your
yes,
money may be 5,000. You came together
Yes.
for snatching, extorting, and along with the broiler chickens also. So
Lordship,
those were recovered from you.
Lordship, the petitioner is a student, Lordship.
Oh, yes, he is a student. He should not do all these things.
And 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 his hometown is Laluk, Lordship. And when he goes due to summer vacation, then the incident was
Then he did these things.
no Lordship.
Poor broiler chicken, the dealer, you have taken out.
Lordship, and
Anyway, we are trying, as he is he's a student, we are trying to give a short date. Not short date, we don't have any such kind of short date. 31 এটা দি দিয়ক নহলে পাৰি যদি নহলে নোৱাৰিম 31 is not possible. 1st of August?
Yes.
1st of August.
Lordship.
I can't go you. Yes.
Lordship, application under section 482 of BNSS. Lordship, FIR lodged under section 64 of BNS.
Hmm.
FIR Lordship, page,
64 is there?
yes, Lordship.
Okay, FI is at page?
Page 8, Lordship, annexure 1, Lordship. May I read, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, with due respect, I humbly beg to state that on 5/6/2025 at about night 8 o'clock, my daughter named Ranjita Das was alone at home, and the accused person, by getting opportunity of absence of the others people and by giving mount of my daughter's committed rape. The accused person also threatened not to inform any otherwise to kill her. Thereafter, when we reached at home, my daughter informed the matter to one's lordship. Lordship's actual fact is, lordship, they are cousin brother and sister, lordship.
Cousin brother.
Yes, lordship. Due to some lordship, and
So
they are
cousin
living-
brother committed rape on the cousin
Yes.
sister
Yes,
as per allegation.
yes, lordship.
So what do you say? Want to say?
Lordship, they are living in the same campus, lordship. Due to some family dispute, lordship, they make false allegation, lordship.
But due to family dispute, such a nasty allegation is brought. Because I have seen they are the I mean Hindu people.
Yes,
Then
lordship. Lordship,
what to say?
please, lordship,
The
include
FIR,
protection.
I don't know about the other things. Maybe out of there may be some grudge or there may be some family dispute also. I'm not denying it. But the allegation is very thing
Yes.
that she was alone and they committed rape on her. Let the CD be perused. Let us see.
Interim protection.
I just want to see if there is anything there other than the if she's a married woman, other things that generally be grant such kind of. But here the case is a bit different one.
Yes.
Yes. It is not a case of interim. In fact, let the CD be perused. There may be, as far as you have submitted, that there is some family dispute and all. For that, out of that grudge or dispute, the affair may be lost. I do not want to disagree with you, but the question is that I have to peruse the case diary. Simple perusal. We need, huh? It's a 4th August or due up to 9 or time. 6th of August. 6/8, really.
Yes.
CDB call for.
Item 6.
Yes.
But this is clear bail application, my lord. FIR is at page number 9, my lord.
Case number 9.
May I read, my lord? The humble submission is that at about 10 months ago, I was introduced with accused number 1 of her mobile phone, and pertaining to which he developed love relation with me. Subsequently, he agreed to marry me and committed physical relation with me for not less than 5 days. Although he assured to marry me, but he did not accept me, and on 5/5/2025, I came with the accused number 1 at his house. After staying one night at his house, he convinced me and sent me back to my home. Even after election several days, he did not take any step, and as such on 19/5/2025 at about 1 p.m., I again went at the house of accused number 1, and after some time, not only the accused number 2 beaten me up with a bamboo stick at my back, but also the accused number 3, 4, and 5 assaulted me and driven me out from his house. So, my lord.
So you are for whom?
My lord.
You are from
Accused number 1.
You are
I have
for
not beaten, my lord. They are love relations, so my lord, both are the concerning party, my lord. The victim.
no
concerning-
beaten up is different thing. The case is registered under which section?
My lord, 69.
69 is also there.
My lord, sexual intercourse by employing deceitful means to marry.
Yes, that's what.
My lord, there were last relation, my lord. So far, my lord, this cannot be said as under
Obviously,
dispensation
as
fact.
per FIR, it seems
My lord,
that there is a
CD may be called for by this time, interim may be given.
yes, what are the
My lord, 11th of August, I can put
That's
it.
because she is the major.
major girl.
Major.
Heard Mr. A. Paramani, Dilan counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. P. Botaku, Dilan additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. Luckily, here, this is an application, the section so and so in connection with so and so. Next, considering this submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner. No, it is submitted by Mr. Paramani, that the present accused petitioner is innocent. And he has not committed any such offense as it is in the FIR. Gustav. However, it is a fact that the accused petitioner and the victim had the love relationship. And if anything had happened, it was under the consent of the victim of the informant. However, he submitted that accused is ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case if he is provided with some interim protection. Next part, Mr. Botaku, the learned additional PP submitted in this regard that CD may be called for to know the actual fact of the case, and he raised objection in granting interim protection to the present petition. Considering the submission made by learned counsel for both sides, materials in the case record, comma, the statement made in the FIR, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of interim pre-arrest bail to the petitioner till the receipt of the case directions. Okay, you'll be under interim protection. 11-8, you're saying
No, my lord, then date may be fixed on 22/8.
22-8.
This is pre-arrest bail application, Lordship. During the pendency of this petition, petitioner number 1, 2, 5, and 6, they have yesterday surrender before the investigation authority. I am only pressing the petition number 2 and 3 and 4, Lordship. Presently.
Who has surrendered? 1,
1, 2, 5, and 6, Lordship.
1,
2,
2,
5, and 6.
five.
Dispute regarding the
and 6.
yes, Lordship.
They have already surrendered.
Surrendered, Lordship. FIR page number 11, Lordship. Type copy. Page number 13 is vernacular copy, Lordship. There is a dispute between the two family in regarding a house road, Lordship. Petition number 3 and 4 are the respectable person of this locality. They were not present at the time of occurrence, Lordship, in this case. Subsequently, they have tried to settle the family dispute, Lordship, being a local respectable person on being approved by the other accused person, Lordship. Their name also, there is a cross FIR also, Lordship, in this. I have annexed in exact 2, Lordship. Both the party got some minor injured in this dispute, Lordship. Current. Paragraph 6, Lordship, I have stated regarding the dispute, Lordship. FIR lodged on 14/6. Thereafter, the matter was also resolved between the parties. But due to the non-bailable section, Lordship,
There are sufficient things there, no?
Left hand broken. maybe.
the allegation against them, they have already surrendered. Petitioner 3 and 4, they are
Left hand broken and head injury.
yes, Lordship. This is by 1, 2, and 5 and 6, Lordship. They have already surrendered. 3 and 4, they are the
3 and 5, 4 did not do
petitioner
anything.
number 3 is a retired teacher, Lordship.
So maybe while
He is no way
fighting, he may be
connected.
retired, he
Just
may not be
300.
retired. What to
They have approached them to settle the matter regarding a family dispute regarding
Moinuddin and Nazrul.
Nazrul, Lordship. Nazrul is a employee of adult education department, Lordship. Is no way connected. The both two petitioners, Lordship. Interim may be protection, Lordship. CD may be called for if anything reveals against them, Lordship.
It's not any specified anything that only 1, 2, 4, and 5 is 3 and 4 names are also
In
here.
paragraph, no, in the FIR, Lordship, they have nothing stated. In the paragraph 7, 6 and 7, I have stated, Lordship.
No, you have stated.
Yeah,
They
I
have
have
not stated.
So they have
That's what
not-
I'm
But
saying.
cross FIR is there, Lordship, an exact.
Maybe falsified, but you have brutally, you have, I mean, you assaulted both these,
Yes,
the
but they
YG
have already
women also.
surrendered. This is admitted, Lordship. Both the parties, they have entered in an occurrence regarding a root path, Lordship. Petitioners 3 and 4, they were not even also present in the occurrence. Later at night,
So why their names are there? If they are so good
they
person,
have approached them, Lordship, being a local,
huh?
local,
Being a local only. No, they are trying to, I
local
mean,
respectable person. They have came
or
to them
respectable
what to do
person,
in
they
this
try
regard.
to stop the quarrel, they are trying to save the other person. Then why is their names are there?
It is intentional. They have been
Why? They are doing the good things only.
nothing like.
They are good persons, they are on respected persons, they're trying to
In this,
stop the
if
quarrel
reveals
between.
against anything against us, Lordship,
Yes, what
just
happened?
interim protection being a.
They have not signed.
They have already surrendered. These two persons not surrender. If anything reveals in the city, Lordship, maybe just interim protection being a government employee, there is an as matter occurrence was took place on last 14 June, Lordship. Thereafter, the matter was already resolved, Lordship, between the parties regarding the
Already
land. Resolved, Lordship, regarding the
resolved?
land dispute regarding the
No, maybe it is, matter is resolved.
matter is
No, there is any compromise.
compromise is there, Lordship, as per our knowledge, Lordship, petitioner number 1 and 2.
Ah.
Though already they have surrendered, they have
No, they have surrendered. You have
they have
repeatedly
also
saying
gave
this.
some
I am saying, but
financial assistance to the for the expenditure of medical expenditure. They have also provided, Lordship. As
Who?
per with accused number 1 and 2, Lordship. They have accused number 1 and 2 is the main accused in this FIR, Lordship.
If matter is
we are not.
If matter is compromised, there is no difficulty. Police will not arrest them.
No,
Due
they are
to
not.
the non-bailable section is there, Lordship.
Will not be
section,
arrested.
section 76-109 is there, Lordship. Just interim protection on behalf of the two accused petition. Others already surrendered, Lordship.
Heard
had not-
Mr. ABT Hawk, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. P. Waterford, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. It is submitted by Mr. Hawk that accused petitioner number 1, 2, 5, and 6 have already surrendered before the police, and hence the petition for the petitioner for these petitioners had already become infructuous. However, he submitted that accused number 3 and 4, accused petition number 3 and 4, not committed any such offense as alleged in the FIR. Rather, being the respectable persons in that locality, they were trying to stop the quarrel between the parties, which was only for the land dispute. However, for the petitioners are ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case, if they were provided with interim protection. Next para, Mr. Botaku, the learned additional PP submitted in this regard that there is no specification about the involvement of the petitioners, and as per the FIR, all the accused persons had committed the offense and assaulted the informant side, for which they had sustained severe injuries on their person. So Mr. Botaku accordingly insisted to call for the case diary to know the actual fact of the case. Again, considering the submission so and so. Okay, you'll be under interim protection. When it can be listed?
On 27th of August.
Be listed on 27th of August. Cooperate with DIO, appear before DIO within 7 days. 27th, you say?
Yeah.
27th of August. Yes. Oh.
Then 9.
CDB call for.
Then 9.
Met with Joseph, my lord, PRS bail application, my lord. FIR is, my lord, please 14, my lord. Married me. Humble submission is that my father, Sri Udodas, was running a shop in a weekly market at Sangsari as a part of his business. A person named Sri Jagadish Das, this is a petitioner, my lord, who was also running a shop in the market, along with 2 other persons, assaulted my father repeatedly on the chest, neck, and face. As a result, my father fell down in the shop itself. Later, the local people sent my father to the GNRC hospital in an ambulance, and he is currently undergoing treatment in the ICDR. My lord, what happened after 3 days, my lord? The victim was died, my lord. As per report of the IO, my lord.
The 103 or whatever.
105
added.
Subsequently added.
Expired.
So
Is
now
there any-
your petitioner, this is anticipatory.
Anticipatory.
So we call for the case diary.
Would the postmortem report?
Yes, CDB call for along with the postmortem report. Yes, Botaku, when can be fixed?
On my lord, 11th of August.
Sangsari police station, nearest police station.
5th of August.
5th.
Oblige.
Then 10.
My lord, may kindly, sorry, my lord, may kindly be July last week, my lord.
No,
Sangsari police.
no.
First date of first August, sorry.
We are giving you first week only. Yes,
Previous bail application, my lord. The case-
your name or your chamber's name is not
It is
not
there.
reflected, I think.
Yes, perhaps, my lord, due to some mistake, my lord.
Okay,
But I
okay.
have-
Otherwise you are appearing.
Yes, yes.
Yes, okay. Item number 10, na?
My lord, the case is that, my lord, there was a love affair, my lord, between the petitioner number 1, who is a 19-year-old boy, and the girl, my lord, who is 17 years old, my lord. So basically, the girl was pressurizing the boy to marry, my lord, but he was refusing to marry because of that the fact that the girl is yet to attain the marital age, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the family members of the girl, they fixed the marriage with somebody else. So, my lord, she, without informing her parents, my lord, she came to the house of the boy. And coming to know about that, the mother of the girl, she lodged an FIR, this present FIR against the boy and her mother, my lord. So the allegation is only of 140 subsection 3.
Yes, kidnapping or what?
Only kidney. No case of POXO or rape, my lord. It's, my lord, well, this is not a case where, my lord, some menstruation is involved, my lord. It's a case of, my lord, personal dispute between the boy and the girl's family, my lord. So, my lord, let them appear and they are ready to cooperate, my lord.
Yes, Lord.
Otherwise, from the contents of the FIR, it seems that prima facie victim is of my lord 17 years.
No, that is, he also admitted. She is a 17 years old.
Minor.
But in regards to any physical or sexual relationship, it is not here. I
Not
think.
there, not at this.
Uh, let them be in interim because otherwise we don't find anything.
Yes.
And if CD reveals or if any sections is added, then definitely will be look after. If there is any such thing. But the girl, how many days she stayed in the house of the accused?
Our case is that immediately when she came, we informed the girl's parents and she was taken back.
Acha. Oh. Heard Mr. S. Das, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. P. Watapu, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. And this is an application on section so and so, so and so. Okay, Manali, considering the submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner and also contents of the FIR, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of interim pre-arrest bail to the present petitioner till the receipt of the listing. Okay, you'll be under interim
My-
protection.
Well, and one more prayer, madam. My name may be reflected in.
Yes, registry is hereby directed to reflect the name of Mr. Astas in the cause list on the next date of listing.
Right.
When it
On
can be
12/8, my lord.
12/8.
My lord.
Listing it on 12/8,
My lord.
abide by all conditions
My lord.
imposed on you.
My lord.
Made
Yes.
case alert, no, also anticipatory bail application, my lord, under 482 of the BNSS, my lord. Here, my lord, page 18 is the FIR, my lord.
18.
18, my lord. It has been registered under, my lord, that 109 and 118, 117 for the attempt to murder also, my lord. Here, what happened, my lord? My lord, initially, my lord, the petitioner's side, my lord. In fact, the daughter of the petition number 4, my lord. My lord, she was, my lord, she's a minor, my lord. She was physically, sexually assaulted by the informant's brother, my lord. So regarding that, my lord, we had lodged an FIR, my lord, by the wife of the petition number 4, my lord. And in that FIR, my lord, that we have narrated what is the true story, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, it is a fact, my lord, some altercation took place, my lord, but some exaggeration in the present FIR. I'm reading that, my lord. Page 24 is the FIR against us, my lord. Oh, I'm sorry, my lord, it is 24 is against the, my lord, it is 18, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord. So here, lords would find, my lord, page 18, my lord. Was lodged by the brother of that person, my lord, against whom, my lord, POXO case has been registered, my lord. And here he has alleged that, my lord, his brother, my lord, went to the house of one Lutfur Rahman as private tutor of his son. So the incident, in fact, took place in the house of Lutfur Rahman. Lutfur Rahman has not lost the present FIR, my lord. It has lost by the brother of the accused in the POXO case, my lord. So it is states, my lord, that all this FIR named person, along with 3-4 unknown miscreants, they entered into the house of that Lutfur Rahman and they assaulted the brother with iron rod, fist blow in the nose and lips, and also kicked on the belly. And with the intention to kill him, they also strangulated the neck, my lord, and he received multiple injuries.
And there is also an allegation, my lord, that he was suffering from pain in the neck, and and another line has been added that 5,600 were snatched, my lord, just to make out an offense under, my lord, that robbery or theft like that, my lord.
Oh, one gold chain is also.
Yes, my lord, that has kindly seen that has been incorporated because, my lord, the 5,000 is something, my lord, there will be coins also, there will be changes also. It cannot be exactly 5,600, my lord. So now, my lord, this is the FIR, my lord, and it states, my lord, he is in, my lord, serious and taking treatment in the, my lord, model hospital. Thereafter, he was referred to Kokrajhar Medical College, my lord. Now, this FIR, kindly see that first, my lord, it was lodged on 15/6, my lord, Lord Suyasin, top, my lord. 15/6, my lord. And next page, kindly see that GD entry was made on 16/6, my lord, page 19. And subsequently, FIR was registered on 19/6. That also Lord should find at page 20. Now, my lord, kindly see the FIR, my lord, lodged by the petitioner side, my lord. That was 1 day prior hand on, my lord, 14/6. That is page 24, my lord. Yeah, my lord, I'm not reading Lakshmi. Kindly have a look at them, my lord, because names are there, my lord. Well, that is the fact, my lord. The petitioner's brother, my lord, he was a teacher, my lord, of the school where the petitioner number 4 daughter studied, my lord. And kindly see that allegation, my lord. Ultimately, she had to leave the school, my lord, and she got admission in a different school, my lord. And that is a true story, my lord. This happened, my lord. Now, my lord, investigating agency did not take any steps so far the FIR lodged by us, my lord. Then we had to file one, my lord, complaint before the additional SP, my lord, page 26. Because they were also threatening the petitioner's side to, my lord, withdraw the case, my lord. That was received on 10/7 itself, my lord, and the ASP crime was directed to, my lord, take necessary step in this regard, my lord. Now, my lord, the daughters, my lord, that victim so far our case, my lord, she is her birth certificate and, my lord, school certificate also we have annexed, my lord. Well, it is a fact, my lord, some altercation took place between 1, 2, and 3, my lord. And the, my lord, that brother of the informant, my lord, but not to the extent what has been stated in the FIR, my lord.
এইবিলাক ঘোষণা দিছে সময় নিমিলিব আজি এনেকুৱা কাম কৰে নহয় আজি ইমান কাম কৰিবলৈ মন আছে নেকি মইতো এতিয়া নকৰি এটা বজাত নামিয়ে দিম যি কৰা কৰি থাকিব
May I please, your lordship?
খং উঠি আহে
My lord, FIR is page 13, my lord. It's a my lord, the pre-arrest bail application.
short make some short submission I
My
want sit one after one
My lord, the petitioner is a name accused number 3. Other accused 1, 2, and 4, 5 already released on pre-arrest bail, my lord. I have annexed the judgment, my lord.
where is the FIR
FIR is page 13, 1-3, my lord. Particular, my lord. May I read, my lord? FIR lost on, my lord, 4th November 2024. সম্মানপূর্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে মোর স্বামী নিম্নলিখিত 1 নং আসামির ব্যবসায়ী গরু মোহর দেখাশোনা কৰা কাম কৰি আছিল আসামীয়ে মোর স্বামীক বিহাৰ দিল্লীত লৈ গৈ গৰু মোহ আনিছিল যোৱা ইংৰাজী 25/9/2024 তাৰিখে 1 নং আসামীয়ে মোর ঘৰত আহি মোর স্বামীক দিল্লীত লৈ যোৱাৰ কথা কৈ ঘৰৰ পৰা মাতি লৈ যায় আৰু তাৰ পিছৰ পৰা মোৰ স্বামীৰ কোনো খোজ খবৰ পোৱা নাই এনেতে যোৱা ইংৰাজী 28/10/2024 তাৰিখে মই মোবাইল হোৱাটছআপত ভিডিঅ' এটা দেখা পাওঁ 1 নং আৰু আন আসামীগণে এটা ঘৰত মোৰ স্বামীক নুৰকালামক প্ৰাণে মৰাৰ উদ্দেশ্যে শৰীৰত ৰডেৰে প্ৰহাৰ কৰি আছে আসামীগণে মোৰ স্বামীক মাৰপিট কৰি কোনো ঠাইত গোপন কৰি ৰাখিছে আসামীৰ খোজ খবৰ কৰাত ব্যস্ত থকাত এজাহাৰ দিয়াত পলম হ'ল my lord. My lord, this allegation basically against the, my lord, accused number 1. The informant husband was an employee of the accused number 1. And only allegation is, my lord, আন আসামীগণে এটা ঘৰত মোৰ স্বামীক নুৰকালামক প্ৰাণে মাৰাৰ উদ্দেশ্য কৰি ৰডেৰে প্ৰহাৰ কৰিছিল my lord. The petitioner, my lord, is the, my lord, employee of the, my lord, informant. He is a Toto driver and he working. He is a Toto driver under the Toto owned by the, my lord, accused number 1. The name of the petitioners come only because He is a my lord auto driver of the my lord accused number 1, my lord. And the accused number 1 and other accused already released on bail, my lord, pays my lord 15.
Total driver of whom?
Auto driver, the petitioner is the auto driver of a auto owned by the accused number 1, my lord. And otherwise, the petitioner has no nexus with the my lord informant's husband, no prior enmity with him, my lord. Pays
But you're Weknong Asami.
He is the FIR name accused, my lord.
FIR name accused.
FIR number, number
No, 3,
my lord.
3.
Oh, so he is an FIR name.
My lord,
My
not
lord,
call for city at this
my lord,
time.
kindly see the my lord, other accused already released on bail.
That is after period of
After
the case.
period of the case there.
Their period bail also granted.
No, no, period bill after period of the case there.
No, my
Let's say
lord.
page 17, my
My
lord.
lord, initially period bail was granted, my lord. Then, my lord, the bail was absolute, my lord.
Where from you are saying?
My lord, page, my lord, the 15 is the order of the, my lord, the bail granted in respect of the other accused.
Page 17, my lord, 11%.
No, where from you are saying that they were under interim PRS bail?
My lord.
Where from you are saying?
My lord, my lord, kindly see the page 17.
Yes.
Interim order dated, my lord, the third line, my lord. Interim order dated 20/12/2024 may be made absolute in the terms and conditions, my lord.
It was absolute.
My lord.
Next
So,
para, my
maybe, my
lord,
lord,
has produced the case there. After producing the case there, my lord, there is-
after the case, there, my lord, bail was absolute, my lord.
Earlier he was on interim.
My lord.
They were on interim.
Yes, your lordship. So, my lord, I may be protected and CD may be called for, my lord.
You are Mr.
M. Islam.
Heard Mr. M. Islam, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. Next paragraph, considering the submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner and also considering the fact that the co-accused persons have already granted the privilege of pre-arrest bail, and considering the case of the present petitioner and the same footing, I find it proper to extend the privilege of interim pre-arrest bail to the present petitioner till receipt of the case tag. Short going to be. Okay, will be under interim protection when it can be paid for.
19th, my lord.
19th.
August.
At a line from the order passed by the coordinate bench of this court for the co-accused person, it is seen that the victim had already been recovered and his statement has already recorded by the IR.
Highly obliged, your lordship.
Yes.
His lordship, the matter has become infatuate. The petition has been arrested after filing this bail petition.
Already arrested.
Yes, kindly.
You are MS R court?
R court. I may be allowed to withdraw this petition.
Yes. Heard MS R court, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, so and so. It is submitted by MS court that during dependency of the present petition, the petitioner is already got arrested in connection with this case, and thus the petition has become infructuous, and accordingly she wants to withdraw the petitioner wants to withdraw this. Okay, it will be disclosed on the trial.
Nice.
Then 14.
Yes.
May I please, as a lordship, my lord, 438 application, my lord. My lord, may be pleased to find the FIR, my lord, is at page 15, my lord. May I read over, my lord?
Yes.
FIR against Gajanan Mundra and Nankishore Mundra for blackmailing, threatening, and extorting a massive sum of money of rupees 47 lakhs only, and again demanding a huge sum of money. Respected sir, with due respect, I would like to inform you that I am Sri Rajesh Kumar Agarwala, son of late Mahabir Prasad Agarwala and a permanent inhabitant of the Radha Banu Lane, 80 Road, Post Office, Jorhat, PH, Jorhat District, Jorhat, Assam. Sir, I would like to state that said Gajanan Gajju Mundra and Nankishore Mundra took shop on rent from the year 2007. in and around in the month of April 2022. My lord, may kindly note this date because this is an incident of 2022 as per the FIR, my lord. Gajanan Gajjo Mundra called me to his hotel, namely Raj Mahal, situated at Gorali, Jorhat. Firstly, it seems normal to me as I used to meet him at his office to discuss any rental related matter, but after meeting with him, Gajanan Mundra showed me some pen drive and started threatening of the dire consequences as an accused to him. The pen drive contained the illicit video and audio clipping, which is out of my comprehension. At that period, my daughter was engaged and her marriage was due to, so I get terrified. Taking advantage of that delicate situation of mine, both the brothers forced me to pay a huge amount of money, that is rupees 47 lakhs only to them. When I did not have cash with me, then they have forced me to transfer all the money I had taken bank account in HDFC Bank to RD Trading Company proprietors of the non-Kishore Mundra. The bank statement of those payments is attached with the FIR copy. That I also state that for marriage of my daughter, I was compelled to take money from friends and relatives on loan. Now they are threatening me for more money for the last 1 year. That recently the GST department also required me about the huge sum of money of so-and-so only in my name, reflecting in the RD Trading Proprietors and non-Kishore Mundra income tax return. A photocopy of that IT return is also enclosed. That I have been duped of all of my old age savings by these brothers and suffering mental trauma to the extent that I have lost all the hope. Again and again, I am contemplating to commit suicide as I have no wish to live like this. Sir, if I am about to commit suicide, these two persons, namely so-and-so, are actually case of my extreme step. Sir, a cause of my extreme step. Sir, I do not want a legal justice from your competent authority, and it is therefore request you to do necessary legal action against them and also take proper legal action against both of the accused persons, namely so-and-so and so-and-so, for the greater interest of justice. Now, my lord, the present petitioner, my lord, before my lordship is Parvez Hussain, my lord. My lord, who is a local resident of the Jorhat town, my lord, who has no nexus and no connection with this case, but suddenly, my lord, the police of the Jorhat police station has issued notices after notice to me. I have, my lord, annexed those notices that my lord may kindly turn to page 20, my lord. My lord. To Mr. Parvez Hussain, son of so-and-so, my lord has got, my lord, page 20, my lord. In exercise of the power conferred under the subsection 3 of section so-and-so, I hereby inform you that during the investigation of the FIR so-and-so VNS registered at Jorhat police station, it is revealed that there are reasonable ground to question you to ascertain the facts and circumstances from you in relation to the present investigation, and hence you are directed to appear before me at the Jorhat police station on so-and-so at 10 p.m. Exactly, my lord, identical notices have been issued on 3 different dates. The last notice, my lord, may be pleased to find of 3/7/2025 is at page 22, my lord. Now, my lord, the named accused, my lord, that the Gajju and Nankishore has approached before my lordships, my lord, before this honorable court, my lord, is at page 23, annexure 4, my lord. And this honorable court was pleased to grant ad interim pre-arrest, my lord, with certain condition, which my lord may be pleased to find page 25, my lord.
Anyway, why you are
Exactly, my
being
lord.
asked to appear?
Exactly, my lord. What has happened when the petitioner has approached me, my lord, I have inquired him. But, my lord, he is a local ASU leader, my lord, of that place. My lord, what is there? There is a business rivalry between both the parties, that informant and the, my lord, accused named in the FIR. This person, my lord, as an ASU leader, tried to amicably settle the dispute between the parties. Now, my lord, those amicable settlement could not taken place, and therefore, my lord, they are also behind me, my lord. Now, some statement may have, after the affair may have been in the case diary, my lord. That's why the police is now asking me, my lord. My lord, I will cooperate with the investigation to the fullest, my lord, with the all extent, my lord, whatever I can help in the investigation. Now, my lord, nowadays, my lord, if I appear without any interim protection before the police, it is very risky, my lord. as the, my lord, this honorable court has already
You're
granted.
being, I mean, your notice is issued only under section 308 only.
My lord, but my lord.
Then why you are apprehending?
My lord,
Given, not appeared.
my lord, apprehending arrest, my lord, because one of the similarly situated person, my lord, like me, my lord, who is also not before my lordship, has appeared and he has also put behind the bar, my lord. After the appearance, my lord, nowadays, what is the situation is there in police station? We do not know, my lord, what is the ground reality there in, my lord. I am not blaming the police, but my lord, the conduct is as such, my lord. So, my lord, as the main accused, my lord, is now, my lord, has been given protection, my lord, by my lordships, my lord. So, at parity, my lord can kindly consider me, my lord.
My lord, my submission is that first of all, my lord, to find who is involved in my lord, lordship may call for CD. Second, my lord, he has given the my lord 3-4 my lord notices for his appearance, my lord, but he has failed to comply with the my lord that 35 BNS, my lord.
No, not even 35, it is 308 only.
No, my lord,
Oh,
it is
acha,
under
acha.
section, my lord.
35,
But he
yes,
has
yes,
complied, he has not appeared before the
It is a case of 3085,
my
my
lord.
lord.
308,
My
okay.
lord.
My submission is at this stage, lordship may call for CD to find out his involvement, my lord.
No, my
Why
lord,
he is apprehended, my lord.
My lord, I will, my lord, I will appear before the police station, my lord. Whatever I know, I will assist the police station, my lord. Some interim protection I am entitled, my lord. Because, my lord, the main accused, my lord, who is in the FIR, this honorable court, my lord, if my lord may be pleased to
Yes, I
permit
have seen.
order, my lord, kindly, my lord, with any condition.
Heard Mr. A.R. Punya, the learned counsel for the petitioner. I also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. আজি কাক দিছে এক্সট্রা আৰু no Shamila আপনি আছে আৰু I'll make it give and so this is an application under section so in connection with so. It is submitted by Mr. Bhuyan that the present accused petitioner is no way connected in the alleged offense. However, he received 3 numbers of notices under section 35(3) BNSS from police and hence the present petition has been filed as there is an apprehension of arrest in connection with this case. If it is submitted that the present accused petitioner is ASU, he is an ASU
Minor, ASU, a leader of that Jorhat district.
ASU leader of the Jorhat district, and the fact is that he tried to settle the matter between both the parties. But for that involvement only, he was searching by police and issued notice under section 35(3) BNSS. However, he is ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case if he is granted with some interim protection. Mr. Bhuyan further submitted that the main accused, which was has already been granted interim protection, interim pre-arrest bail by this court, by
Order dated 10/7/2025, my lord.
and order dated 10/7/2025.
In AB number.
In AB number
1535 of 2025.
1535 of 2025. And accordingly, on the ground of parity also, the petitioner may be provided with some interim protection. Next, Prime Minister Sharma, the learned additional PP, submitted in this regard that from the record, it reveals that the accused petitioner is not appearing before the IO, complying the notice under section 35(3) BNSS, which were issued in 3 occasions to the petitioners. Accordingly, he submitted that his involvement will be revealed only after the actual fact of the case may reveal only after perusal of the case diary, and accordingly, he insisted to call for the same. Okay, considering the submission made by so-and-so, address in the case and the contents of the FIR, I find it a fit case really. Okay, you'll be under interim protection.
My lord, highly obliged.
Appear before the IO and cooperate in the.
My lord, within 10 days, my lord.
Yes,
My
within 10 days.
Obliged, lord, highly obliged.
20, my lord.
28.
CD.
August. Obliged.
Yes, we'll be.
Yes, Mr.
My lord. The petitioner is a student of the 3rd year semester, my lord. Page 11 is the FIR, my lord.
Yes.
তো মই ৰচিগাঁও যুৱ ক্লাবৰ সভাপতি ৰঞ্জন কুমাৰ নাথ পিটাৰ সোৱেনচু গাঁও সোৱেনচু এই বছৰ জড়িত জানাব খোজো যে 17/6/2025 পাছিগাঁও যুৱ ক্লাবে এখন লটাৰী প্ৰতিযোগিতা অনুষ্ঠিত হ'ব বুলি অসম বৰ্তা নামৰ ফেচবুক পেজ এটাত প্ৰচাৰ হৈছিল লগতে উক্ত পৃষ্ঠাটোত এটা মন্তব্যৰ উত্তৰত সোৱেনচু ফোন নম্বৰ শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিছে লগতে উপহাৰ কুপনৰ বিজ্ঞাপনত সোৱেনচু ফোন নম্বৰ দেখা পোৱা গৈছে কিন্তু আমাৰ ক্লাবে এনেকুৱা কোনো লটাৰী প্ৰতিযোগিতা অনুষ্ঠিত কৰা নাই যেহেতু চৰকাৰে লটাৰী প্ৰতিযোগিতা অবৈধ বুলি ঘোষণা কৰিছে কোনো দুষ্ট চক্ৰে আমাৰ ক্লাবৰ নাম লৈ লটাৰী টিকেট বনাই ফেচবুক অসম পত্ৰা পেজত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি লটাৰী টিকেটৰ বিজ্ঞাপন দি আমাক প্ৰবঞ্চনা কৰিছে আৰু আমি আমাৰ পৰা সংগ্ৰহ কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছে তদুপৰি উক্ত ভুৱা লটাৰী কুপনত কিনাৰ ভাৱে এটা QR কোড দিয়া হৈছে বুলি আমি খবৰ পাইছো যাৰ জৰিয়তে উক্ত ব্যক্তিবিলাকে জনসাধাৰণৰ পৰা মিছাভাৱে ধন সংগ্ৰহ কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছে This is the allegation. I am a student. My house is in Nagaon district. So now the phone number provided here are not my phone number, madam. Now police wanted to arrest me because maybe some person has implicated my name. That is a police without serving any notice, madam, came to my residence, wanted to arrest me, madam. So madam, I am a student of another one is the madam, page 8. Third semester, my lord. Khagrazan College. I am no way involved in this case, my lord. Maybe some notary coupon has been circulated, but I am not involved, my lord. So, my lord, the city call for, I may be never protected, my lord.
My lord, here,
Only lottery coupon has been circulated, not try to correct my. This is the allegation.
If he is not involved, there is no apprehension.
No, but I made it.
For anticipatory bail, my lord. If he is not at all involved, my lord.
Paragraph
But
क्या
something is there, my lord, for that city is record, my lord.
City come, let the city come, my lord.
No, why you are apprehending?
Because my lord, the police came to my residence and wanted
Saying-
to arrest me in this in connection of this case, my lord. Although they are not serving any notice to me, my lord, let them have no notice. They are not serving even serving any notice, my lord. The police come to my residence and wanted to arrest me, my lord. This is why I come. No, otherwise I am why you come here, my lord. There is apprehension.
So you are a student, then how?
I am a student, my lord. I am a student. I am no way involved, my lord. That phone number provided there also belongs to other person. I am no. My phone number. I have given the phone number here, my lord. In page 7, my phone number. I provided the phone number here. Paragraph 3 in evidence.
Something is there, my lord.
Later, I left, my lord. If found I have my involvement is there, will be rejected, my lord. Moreover, my attempt has been made. Nothing. No more, my lord. In the affair itself, say some person has, by using the name of the club, circulated lottery coupon, my lord.
Heard Mr. J. Ahmed, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application on section so in connection with so. It is submitted by Mr. Ahmed, the present accused petitioner is innocent, and he is no way connected in the arrest offense. Either the phone number which were reflected in the FIR belongs to him. He is a student of third semester BA.
Khagrazan College.
BA, and without even issuing notice to the petitioner, the police is searching for him, and hence he is the apprehension of being arrested in connection with this case. However, the petitioner is ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case if he is granted with some interim protection like the same document. And Mr. Sharma submission Diva insisted to call for the case diary to know the actual fact of the case. Okay, you'll be under interim protection.
Within 10 days, I will apply.
Pardon?
Within 10 days, I will apply. Hello.
Yes, when
20, man.
20.
And 16.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, Mintu Rahman is the petitioner before lordship, against whom your lordship absconder charge sheet was filed. And your lordship, thereafter lordship, criminal proceeding started lordship in in the before the learned court below, that is Chief Judicial Magistrate Dhubi Lordship. And Lordship, thereafter Lordship, one summons was issued to me Lordship. And in this case, Lordship, some sections are session tribal sections here, Lordship. And therefore, Lordship, next date of that case is Lordship 12/8/2025, Lordship. Lordship, I am ready to appear before the learned court below, Lordship.
And till date, only summons were issued to you.
Lordship. And some other
Taking
accused
time
person-
to pass any orders, and
Right.
kind of, did the scan copy be this year? Your case is on 12th, no?
12
From where it has to come, Gwalpara,
No, Lordship, Dhubi Lordship.
Dhubri.
PRC 457 of 2025, Lordship. Lordship, because of my, because
Site ekmandi go pai bani ni. 4/8. 4/8 we passed the order on 4/8. Please stop
Publish
it for the call for the scan copy of the TCR. The registry will do it in it. Okay. No.
Item 70.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, there are two petitioner, Lordship. They are apprehending arrest in connection with Lordship Misamari Police Station, non-affair case, Lordship. One notice was issued in the name of the petitioner, Lordship, in connection with a vehicle, Lordship. So some facts I have submitted, Lordship. There was an agreement between the complainant and the petitioner number 1 regarding the vehicle on rent. The complainant's vehicle was taken on rent by the petitioner number 1, and he was paying monthly rent. Later on, he was returned the vehicle along with the all dues. But as per the complainant, there is a dispute. As per complainant, more 70,000 is to given to the complainant. So out of the dispute, the complainant might have lost that present FIR, Lordship. So in for a report from the IO, my lord. Whether any
Present FIR, where from you are saying present FIR?
Present FIR, there is no FIR. I have received a notice from Misamari, Lordship, page 9.
Page 9.
One notice is served upon me by Baihata Sarihali Police Station, which was come from Misamari, OC Misamari Police Station, Sonitpur, Lordship.
What was the contents?
Contents, Lordship,
You are requested to?
kindly inform the below noted persons to appear before the undersigned within 1 week from the receipt of the message. One Mrs. Mistu Saha, Rangapara have lodged FIR against them regarding and
So you have not collected the certificate copy here?
I could not obtain, Lordship. There is no case number and we searched, we could not find, Lordship. That's why, Lordship, we have filed. So I'm seeking interim because there is the vehicle number is also there in connection with the vehicle interim.
We are not going to provide any interim. Rather, we are trying to give you a short date so that
Not
he
even-
can even communicate with personally with the IO.
And the
Let
telephonic
the matter
instruction-
be listed on next Thursday.
Telephonic instruction may be taken up, Lordship.
That's what I'm saying, telephonic instruction, because similar kind of matters have been already been fixed on Tuesday, Wednesday. So let it be on Thursday. Thursday we are listed. 24, yes.
Deeply obliged, madam.
Issue not be here, hard so and so. The learned additional BP is hereby asked to procure a report from the IO as to whether any case has been lost. In which police station you are saying?
Misamari.
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 Under Musara. You can take telephone
My lord,
instructions.
Deeply obliged, madam.
Yes.
But if 302 is there, normally we do not ask for interim normally, but in this case, maybe your lordship may consider my lord. Normally, AB my lord, 302 is never my lord. I take your lordship to Barnacular person, page 16, my lord.
Page 16.
16. No problem. You
Yes.
look at it.
সম্মানপূর্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে জোয়া ইংরাজি 9/6/2025 তারিখে সন্ধিয়া অনুমান 6:30 মান বজাত মোর ভাটিজা আশরাফুল ইসলাম 24 বছরক উপরোক্ত উল্লেখ করা 4 আৰু 5 নং পদকীয়াৰ কুপরামর্শ মতে আৰু ষড়যন্ত্ৰমূলকভাৱে 1, 2, 3 পদকীয়া জনে মোর ভাটিজাক ফোন কৰি রত্নপীঠ মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ পিছফালে
1, 2, 3 already arrested my.
হাবিৰ মাজত লৈ যায়।
হাবিৰ মাজত লৈ যায় আৰু মোৰ ভাতিজাক নিশাজাতীয় দ্ৰব্য লগতে নিমখ সেৱন কৰাই মোৰ ভাতিজাক অচেতন অৱস্থাত হাবিৰ মাজত পেলাই থৈ যায় আৰু মোৰ ভাতিজাৰ নাকেৰে তেজ ওলাই আছে লগতে মুখৰে ফেন ওলাই আছিল। ঘটনাস্থলীত চাপৰ আৰক্ষীৰ উপস্থিত হৈ লগে লগে আশৰাফুল ইছলামক চাপৰ চিকিৎসালয়ত লৈ যায় যদিও অৱস্থা সংকটজনক অৱস্থা দেখা পাই ডাক্তৰে প্ৰাথমিক চিকিৎসা প্ৰদান কৰি উন্নত চিকিৎসাৰ বাবে বঙাইগাঁও চিভিল হস্পিটেললৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰে। আৰু মই মোৰ ভাতিজাক আশৰাফুল ইছলামক উন্নত চিকিৎসাৰ বাবে স্বাগত হস্পিটেল বঙাইগাঁৱত ভৰ্তি কৰাওঁ। যদিও উক্ত দিনে ৰাতি 10:30 মান বজাত মোৰ ভাতিজা আশৰাফুল ইছলামক মৃত বুলি ঘোষণা কৰে। ইয়াৰ পূৰ্বত 4 আৰু 5 নং পদিকাজনে ভাড়াতীয়া গুণ্ডা লগত লৈ আহি হাতত দা কুঠাৰ আদি লৈ মোৰ ভাতিজাক মাৰিম কাটিম বুলি ৰাস্তাত থিয় থাকে। মোৰ সন্দেহ হয় ওপৰত উল্লেখ কৰা 4 আৰু 5 নং পদকীয়া নেতৃত্বত 1, 2 আৰু 3 পদকীয়া তিনিওজনে মিলি মোৰ ভাতিজাক হত্যা কৰি ৰত্নপীঠ মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ পিছফালে হাবিৰ মাজত পেলাই থৈ যায়।
আমার সন্দেহ হয় মানে লাস্টত
No, my lord. Let's see, my lord.
Only CD.
One question was these persons were fighting against the drugs here. These persons, along with 1, 2, 3, and the deceased, they are the drugs. We held a meeting. The annexure is also there, against this, and this may be the reason why our name had been there.
But this is not only a petition here, as per FI, I don't know. The earlier occasion
Occasion
also,
also.
you were there threatening with life.
Doubt, my lord, doubt.
Okay, then we let the call for this.
Only short that is possible.
My lord,
Should we call
6th of August.
60. Heard Mr. H.I. Soder, assisted by Mr. M. Or heard Mr. Bishop, CD call for. Okay, we are calling for the case.
Item 19.
May it please your action, my lord, it is an anticipated bail application, my lord. Yeah, my lord. Page 16 is the FIR, my lord. A little peculiar case, my lord. Yeah, page 16, Lord should find, my lord, that two persons are named, my lord. Noyan Deka and Gogon Boisho, my lord. They are having a car rental, my lord, agency, my lord. And thereafter, like, page 16, my lord.
Yes, yes.
So, my lord, the informant, he gave his vehicle, my lord, there, two vehicles, my lord.
Yes, yes,
So,
I have
but
seen, yeah.
subsequently, my lord, he went there, so they did not, my lord, respond, and the vehicle, he could not find the vehicles, my lord. So during investigation,
No,
my lord,
why vehicle was there, means what you say?
my lord, vehicles on rent, my lord, that
Oh, acha,
on
vehicles
monthly
on
basis,
rent.
yes, my lord, that
Uh-huh.
page 16, my lord, two person, my lord, Noyon Deka and Gogon Boisho, my lord, as per the FIR, page 16. Thereafter, what happened, my lord, during investigation of the instant case, my lord, that Gogon and his, my lord, other accomplice, they were arrested, my lord. There, my lord, page 24 is the forwarding report, my lord. And in page 25, my lord, kindly have a look at para 6, my lord. During investigation, so and so, my lord, has been recovered by Silchar police station, and the alleged accused, Mimo Losko, is before lordship, my lord, has been apprehended. That is very important, my lord, in connection with the case, so and so. So, my lord, the forwarding report states, my lord, he was apprehended, vehicle was recovered. Subsequently, my lord, we move anticipated bail application, my lord, because although he was apprehended, my lord, he was allowed to go on bail, my lord, allowed to go, not on bail, my lord, allowed to go by the agency. Because, my lord, that is our instruction, my lord, and documents are also there, whether true or not, my lord, but on record it is there, my lord. What happened, my lord? He was apprehended by the agency, by the Silchar police station, thereafter handed over to this present Gitanagar police station, my lord, in Silchar itself, my lord. Because they went there for recovery, my lord. Now he was taken to the court, my lord, and from the court, as per the instruction, my lord, there was some violation of this BNSS, my lord, grounds of arrest and so like that, my lord. So, my lord, it is our case, my lord, he was allowed to go, my lord. He filed a bail application there, my lord. That is also there, my lord. I'll show, my lord. And he was allowed to go. But no order was passed, my lord. We instructed, my lord, you have to get that certified copy. So they have filed also application before that court, my lord, and it was stated that the application was made not pressed, my lord. Those documents are there. Now
Application was made not pressed.
Yes, my lord. There is court order, my lord. Since not pressed, so there is nothing on record, my lord. But here kindly see, my lord, whether I should say, my lord, seek interim protection or not, but I'm placing before lordship, my lord. If he was apprehended, my lord, and he fled away, my lord, there has to be some reflection in the forwarding report, my lord. Or in the order, my lord.
No, this is the forwarding report of the co-accused.
But here it said he was apprehended.
But this is the forwarding report of the co-accused.
Yes. But which states, my lord, he was apprehended.
Yes, I have seen.
Yes, apprehended, my lord. Something is wrong, my lord. Something is wrong because on five.
So which court is this court is?
This court, my lord, my lord, we have filed application there.
Then probably it may happen if they have not raised the petition, then it is not the court to allow him to go on bail, but by the arresting authority itself.
Yes, my lord.
Maybe because otherwise why they have not raised the petition if we got
Yes.
arrested.
And kindly see, my lord, if he was not apprehended, then he would not have filed for transit bail. That lordship kindly see at page 56, my lord. 54 is that, my lord, type copy, my lord. And 56 is that application, my lord. 54 is the type
Application for transit bail before seizure.
Yes, my lord. And 56 is the petition, my lord. That certified copy, my lord. And my lord, now kindly see. 54 is the type copy, my lord. And 56 is that, my lord, the certified copy, my lord. Original copy, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, since
So regarding the transit bail, was there any transit bail order of transit bail?
No. That is the crux, my lord. He was allowed to go. Now kindly see, but if your lordship kindly see,
No, even if it is not on transit bail, then how the police?
That is the thing, my lord. If he was apprehended, it is a fact. But he was allowed to go. If he had fled away, my lord, there would have been a GD entry or a FIR against him before that court, my lord. And also reflection in the forwarding report, my lord. Am I correct, my lord? In the forwarding report that he fled away, my lord. It is not there. But when he moved the for anticipatory bail before the learned session, just my lord, here, my lord, there is a perusal that in that, my lord, it states, my lord, he had fled away. That's why, my lord, we asked him to get that copies, my lord, and he
No, while fled away from where?
That in the diary it was that he fled away, my lord. He was apprehended.
No. While he was praying for anticipatory, from where he was fled away?
No, when he filed the application for bail, my lord, case he was called for. And while considering the bail application, it was rejected because, my lord,
he was not there.
That
he was fled away.
Yes, my lord. And
okay, it's a very thing. We have to call for the case diary as well as the case record also.
It is necessary,
copy.
And
it is also necessary.
Here in the rejection order, my lord, anticipatory bail rejection in the court below, it's clearly stated that, my lord, he has fled away, my lord. My lord, page 52, my lord. And hereafter, page 53, my lord. Page 53, my lord. Last para, my lord.
Yes.
Yes.
This is very surprising case where an accused has fled away from the police station while under interrogation. It appears that all is not well and there is some goof up. This court deems fit to bring into notice the instead case to knowledge of the DGP Assam later thereafter anticipated bail was rejected. But so call for city only here.
My lord, definitely, only. Yes, definitely case diary here because if he was not apprehended, I also said he was apprehended. He would not have filed for transit bail, my lord. And if he had fled away.
But you're saying what is the order on transit bail? That's what I'm asking.
Yes, no.
There's no order.
No.
And you're saying that has been,
he was allowed to go. Kindly.
Allowed to go? Is there any order? How allowed to go?
No, then, my lord, in the forwarding report, it is not there, my lord. He fled away.
No. While he was praying for the this transit bail.
Yes.
Where is the order? Order is not there. You're saying that there is no order.
Yes.
Then?
Because he was allowed to go, my lord, but subsequently they say that he is
allowed to go. How allowed to go?
Then, my lord, in the forward, definitely, my lord. No, I possibly could not make it clear, my lord. If he had fled away, then it would have been reflected in the forwarding report. And kindly appreciate, my lord, kindly see that.
Now, when the forwarding report was there for the other co-accused person, at that time, he may be apprehended.
Yes.
But later on, whether he is fled away, that is not reflected here because during that time, when there was a forwarding report of the other co-accused person, at that time he was available, he was apprehended. But subsequently, from the custody of the police, he fled away. Or is there not anything? That's not there.
That is true, my lord. Lordship, vast section, lordship knows. If he had fled away, there will be in the court itself, there will be a FIR, my lord. if he fled away from the court premises. I'm not seeking interim bail. I'm just placing the facts, madam. Something is fishy, madam. Otherwise, we will file for my lord transit bail if he is not arrested. And if
Then
he-
why you have not, without procuring any order on the transit bail,
Yes, yes.
why you have left?
Some mistake on the part of the council there also possibly, because there have to be a legal
If
order.
there is any order of
Yes,
bail for
yes.
transit bail, there has to be an order for
Yes, yes,
transit
yes.
bail.
That is true. That is true, madam.
Okay, then we are calling for the case there at this
Yes.
stage. Let us see what is there in the case. Otherwise, the order of the London trial court, the London session is available here in this.
Yes, sir, we have annexed it.
Okay, then.
We have annexed it.
Then we are calling for the case there.
Fine.
Yes, when it can be called.
And the 6th of August, madam.
6th, what recently? Many matters have been fixed on 6th, I think, 7th.
Okay, I seek that CCTV footage from that police station. Can it be? Our
We
was
don't
there.
know whether it may be possible or not, I don't know.
Yes, yes, madam. It is a fact, my lord, that he was taken to the police station. Otherwise, we, on instruction also, we do not, my lord,
Let
place
us see
that.
CD first.
But they have filed application for that order also. Application for certified copy.
Certificate copy of order for which order?
Well, if order was passed, then learned court stated that.
Order of which, I mean, on
Transit bail.
transit.
Yes, yes, they have filed for certified copy of that order also. But court said that, my lord.
Now, yeah, on one hand, you are saying that they have applied for certified copy of the order. On the other hand, you are saying that the petition was not pressed.
Yeah, that is that the court reflected in the order.
That is. Okay then.
Obliged, madam.
It's a bit of a good.
কিবা এটা আছে। Well, here, my lord, in this case, lordship, it's an anticipated bail application, my lord. Here, lordship has possibly gone through the, my lord, that contents of fair, my lord. That was a regular bail application, my lord. Somebody, unfortunately, one person committed suicide, my lord. And the prime accused was arrested. And here, my lord, case 18 is the FIR, my lord. Here, my lord, all allegation against page 18, my lord. All against my lord. In the suicide note, it is against Ankit Kumar only, but in the FIR, my lord, the informant, my lord, that is the, my lord, father, my lord, no? Father of the.
This case was fixed a bit 2-3 days back, na?
That is true, but
When we have fixed the case date.
31st, my lord. Here, my lord, I leave it to lordship discretion. Only thing, my lord, no abetment, nothing, my lord. We have the suicide.
In that suicide note, his name is there, my lord.
No, name, my lord.
Yes, one Ankit and one
Here is-
Kusodia and was there.
Oh, no.
Because
Suicide note was there.
Yeah, I told him, oh,
Yes,
yeah.
my lord.
Because
Yes,
here-
your lordship has.
You were there, na? I think.
Yes,
was-
My lord,
Yes.
that was he already arrested, my lord. Now this person, my lord, lordship discretion, lordship will decide, my lord. Here, not a single line, my lord. In the FIR, my lord, it's.
No, your name is? Your name is?
I am, my lord, Vikas Sisodiya, my lord.
Because
In the
Susodia was also there, yes.
Only name reflected and kindly, because abetment, lordship.
That's
was
what
a-
I'm saying. This, as per the FIR, definitely
Yes.
you along with one Ankit.
Mental
and one
harassment and all.
harassment
Kindly see the
that was
suicide
there.
note, my lord, page 26. Suicide note is there, my lord. Because it has been.
Annexed the suicide.
Yes, yes, because it is all available in the social media and in my lord, print media, it is there, my lord, in the social media. Because, my lord, the television news and all, my lord, it came, my lord. We have that Facebook also, everywhere it is there. That's why we could have annexed it, my lord. Page 26 is that suicide note, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, nothing at all, my lord. Absolutely nothing, my lord. Different people reacts differently in a particular situation, my lord, whether it can be abetment, my lord. Because I'm not burdening a lot. There are so many judgments on this count, my lord. There has to be something, my lord, instigation.
Where is it suicide note? This 28 is
26, my lord.
half of 26.
26, my lord. That is a
No,
translated,
no,
my lord.
this is a translated copy. Original you have
Yes, yes,
30,
it starts from, my lord.
30. It was of before the hand.
Not visible, 30, page 30.
Not visible at all. Whether it starts from 28
28, my
or
lord. 28.
29
28, my lord.
or 30 is not
28,
visible.
28.
No, it's not visible.
My lord. আমাৰ পৰা ক্ষমা খোজাৰ কোনো অধিকাৰ নাই।
এইখিনি আগত ৰখি গ'ল
পঢ়িব নোৱাৰি।
পঢ়ি এনেকে দিয়া আছে।
only seconds.
পঢ়ি মানে হেৰি ঘৰৰ মানুহ কাৰোবাক কৈছে তাৰমানে। হয়নে?
No.
That is way of analysis all, my lord.
30, it was fixed on 31.
31.
My lord.
The other person was arrested.
Arrested, my lord.
He is for anticipatory.
No, he is arrested, my lord.
No,
This
he
one
was
is
for
for,
BA,
yes.
this is for
Yeah,
AP.
kindly see the forwarding report of that person, my lord. This person, he's a IIT, my lord, graduate, my lord. He's a having bright future, my lord, and kindly see, my lord. He is that potential.
We don't have such time, huh? I'm not.
My that is
further.
no,
That's fine.
Abetment. Kindly see, he is a bachelor of my lord, biotechnology from IIT Guwahati, my lord. And he is having a my lord, that potential
What
coaching
to do?
institute.
That's why he is so sharp, in fact, doing these things. Anyway, we're listing it on 31st, 31/7.
No, my lord, Abetment, my lord. In fact, from the forwarding, my lord, that suicide note, my lord.
We are not able to see your this
Along with BA, my lord, 2253.
along with BA, yes.
2253.
225325, my lord.
2253.
My lord.
Along with BA 2253. Yeah.
But there's some instigation, my lord. Later on, Lordship may see that part also, my lord.
Okay.
Mere naming won't do, my lord, possibly.
Yes,
Much
yes,
obliged.
306 or what you say
Yes,
now.
now
this
109.
109. This case is definitely it is very difficult to
Yes,
prove
yes.
and all.
Yes.
Even in the trial also.
Exactly, exactly.
That is there.
Exactly.
Anyway,
Much
307 and this is 306.
Yes.
They are very complicated.
Because Abetment is a defined, my lord.
Best defined. Yes.
Much
Definitely.
obliged,
Okay.
obliged.
21.
Wait, the lots of.
Yes.
482 applications under BNSS, and allegations regarding 10E, abatement of committing suicide. Now, your lordship will find the annexure that page start from. May I go to straight to the vernaculars? It will be better if you go in the particulars. Before that, I just place that the deceased and petitioner number one are very good friend. They were friendship of more than 25 years. One is a father, 2 and 3 are the sons of petitioner number one. Now, your lordship will find his wife has committed suicide, and he, what it said, Honmanpurvak Binito Nivedon Aided, Moy Srimati Noyanmoni Chakraborty, Sami Prokhanjit Chakraborty, your lordship, kindly take note of Prokhanjit Chakraborty is the
Page number?
page number
16,
16.
16.
Sorry, I not
Yes, yes.
pages.
Okay.
16.
Mm.
Tikona Jalannagar, Dibrujan, your lordship got it? Dibrujan Colony, Ward number 22, Sthai Nibahi, Joa Ingraji, 19-5-25 তাৰিখে বৃহস্পতিবাৰে ৰাতিপুৱা প্ৰায় 9:30 পৰা 10টা বজাত মোৰ স্বামী প্ৰসঞ্জিত চক্ৰৱৰ্তী মৃতদেহ মোহনা ঘাটৰ ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ নদীত পোৱা গ'ল। মৃত্যুৰ মুহূৰ্তত মোহনা ঘাটত তেখেতৰ 2 পৃষ্ঠাৰ এখন সুইচাইড নোট য'ত প্ৰায় 1 বছৰ আগৰ পৰাই ডিব্ৰুগড় পল্টন বজাৰ নিবাসী শ্ৰীযুত কেশৱ বৰ্মা মাইছেলফ দ্য petitioner one তেখেতৰ 2 পুত্ৰ ক্ৰমে চন্দ্ৰকান্ত বৰ্মা আৰু সত্যকান্ত বৰ্মাই বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ মানসিক অত্যাচাৰ চলাই আহিছিল। উক্ত 3গৰাকী বিভিন্ন ব্যক্তিৰ মানসিক অত্যাচাৰ সহ্য কৰিব নোৱাৰি মোৰ স্বামীয়ে আত্মসমৰ্পণ কৰিবলগীয়া লগাত পৰিল। বিভিন্ন সময়ত উক্ত ব্যক্তিসকলে মাটি আৰু টকা পইচাক লৈ অত্যাচাৰ কৰে। শেষত উপায়হীন হৈ মোৰ স্বামীয়ে সুইচাইড নোট লিখি আত্মহনন কৰিবলগীয়া হয়। উক্ত 3গৰাকী ব্যক্তিৰ মানসিক অত্যাচাৰৰ কাৰণে মোৰ স্বামী মৃত্যু হোৱাটো মই সহজভাৱে ল'ব পৰা নাই। সেয়ে মোৰ স্বামী মৃত্যুৰ প্ৰধান অভিযুক্ত 3গৰাকী ক্ৰমে শ্ৰী কেশৱ বৰ্মা, শ্ৰী চন্দ্ৰকান্ত বৰ্মা আৰু শ্ৰী সৰ্বকান্ত বৰ্মাৰ বিৰুদ্ধে ৰুজু কৰি অতি শীঘ্ৰে প্ৰয়াত্ত কৰি দৃষ্টান্তমূলক শাস্তি দিবলৈ এজাহাৰ দাখিল কৰিলে। So this is the allegations against us. Now your lordship is why your kindly see. Now we are the friends since 25. Lordship may kindly take into that annexure 2, my lord. What has happened, my lord? The deceased has borrowed many money from a various person, my lord, including me also, my lord. Kindly see annexure 2. I stated the bank statement, my lord. Page number 19, my lord. Lordship will kindly see this 19, your lordship got it. First 5th February, 5th February, 5th February, kindly 3rd. So Prosenjit Chakra, I have given the description of Prosenjit Chakra, the deceased, amount of 5,54,000, my lord. And I have given, my lord, that is one amount which we have given because we are friends. He has having a lot of difficulties. I give cash of rupees about 46,000 plus 5,54,000, which reflected in my bank statement. Thereafter, my lord, again he has asked me for money, my lord. And kindly see, I have given that annexure 3, that is at page 21, my lord. That is 22, my lord, your lordship will find the last page, 23, your lordship may kindly go through the last page, my lord. Last page, my lord. 23, my lord.
Your Lordship may kindly go through the date 33 to 1 from the top, my lord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 33 2024. Remittance throws check so and so. Prosenjit Chakraborty, my lord. Amount of rupees 5 lakhs 23 rupees as a RTGH charge. 5 lakhs I have been given. So, amounting, my lord, I have given 11 lakhs. Now, when I ask the money for, my lord, admittedly, he has taken money from me, my lord, to the amount of 11 lakhs. And he has given me a check also. Kindly see the check which has been given 6 lakhs and 5 lakhs. That is at page 20. I have not encashed this one. The check has not been encashed. Lordship, kindly see 24, my lord, page 24. Keshav Burma 6 lakhs only for Chakraborty, Prosenjit Chakraborty. And my lord, this is Prosenjit Chakraborty, page 25. So these are, my lord, only thing, if I ask for a money which I have given to him, is it an amount to an abetment, my lord? Suppose I took a loan from the bank and bank demanded me the money. Are the bank is liable for abetment, my lord? If committed, that is my case in short, my lord. Huh? Well, your lordship, can you say the payment has been made in 1 year back and he committed suicide after 1 year, my lord. And because he owed money to the tune of 11 lakhs, it's a huge money, my lord, 11 lakhs. My lord. Now, whether, my lord, amount, suppose if I give him money to somebody, if I ask the money, is it amount an abetment of for committing? He has taken various loan, my lord, and I have helped it. We are the very good friends, my lord. Myself and my deceased was a very good friend because of what I have given the money, the 11 lakhs, my lord. What I have stated, my lord. And secondly, my lord, the petition number 2 and sons, my lord. One of my sons has in hospitalized in, my lord, in Chennai, my lord. I have the railway tickets with me, my lord. I cannot annex. I have the ticket with me. Because of what, my lord? So he has gone to, and all of our family members has been named, my lord. My lordship, at this stage, my lord, your lordship may call for the case. Right? And lordship may, my lord, suppose if my custodial detention will alive the person who has committed suicide, my lord, definitely not, my lord.
But 2 and 3 is your son.
My son, my lord. 23 and 24 years of age, my lord. The money has been taken from me, my lord. Undoubtedly, my lord, I have shown in from my bank account, my lord. And my lord, he committed suicide. The reason being this wife has given, that is because of the demand from these things. Definitely, I will ask the money. If my sons and we are in a trouble, definitely I will ask for the money. And after 1 year, he committed suicide, my lord. Even the check.
No, after 1 year, you are harassing. That's why.
FIR itself reveals, my lord.
No.
For the last 1 year, my lord.
No, that definitely, my lord. It's not, I'm not disputing on that. That 24 I have given. The money which I have been given, definitely, my lord, I will ask anybody, my lord. Anybody will ask money.
That is obvious.
Yes.
Yes, Sharma.
Here, Lordship may call for CD, my lord. Here, FIR itself reveals that, my lord, from the suicide note, my lord. All of the 3 persons named in the FIR, my lord. And it is also reveals that 1 বছৰৰ আগৰ পৰাই ডিব্ৰুগড় বেচুৱেঞ্চু কেশৱ বাৰ্মা 2 পুত্ৰ ক্ৰমে চন্দ্ৰকান্ত বাৰ্মা আৰু সৰ্বকান্ত বাৰ্মাই বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ মানসিক নিৰ্যাতন চলাই আছিল, my lord. For last 1 year, my lord, he has done this, my lord. At this stage, Lordship may call for CD. Short date may be given, my lord. I will police that. No interim at this time. My lord, and it is in the suicide note it was reveals, my lord.
Definitely, I am not saying, my lord.
If he is not liable, my lord, how one person, when at the time of death, my lord, when he is going to die, my lord, suicide, my lord, you will name the petitioner's name, my lord, without any reason, my lord.
No, the question is that, my lord, then why you have issued check to me, my lord? I have, I have not, my lord, encashed the check also, my lord. I have not encashed because we are the friend, my lord. Your lordship kindly appreciate one thing, my lord. He had issued check. When he has given a check, my lord, you kindly see 26/5/2025. Kindly take the dates, my lord. 26/5 and 26/5. He has given the check, my lord. And suppose on the date itself, I can, this is, I waited for him. 11 lakhs is not a joke, my lord. 11 lakhs is a huge money, my lord. So So that is why, my lord, I have.
No, but your check dated is 26/05/2025.
Yes, before his death.
But the FIR is of 02/06/2025.
My lord, after the death, my lord, it is prior to the, this is died, my lord, he committed suicide, my lord. So that is what, my respectful submission, because he had issued check, my lord. Am I wrong in asking money, my lord?
Why he issued the checks then? He issued the checks also.
Before his.
Yes, obviously.
suicide.
Why he?
No,
issued it?
my lord, he has taken the loan, my lord, that is true, my lord. For that purpose, there is a Manokic Nijardan for last 1 year, my lord.
My lord, if
Mental
suppose-
torture, my lord, for
yeah,
last 1 year, my lord.
if my learned friend take loan from me, my lord, take a money from me, if I ask him, is it an abetment, my lord? If I ask him, say suppose I am taking a money from the bank, my lord, and bank asking me, since like give me the money, give me the money, give me the money, and is it I committed a
As the
suicide?
fact that he has taken the loan, my lord. For that purpose, for clearance of the forest, my lord, he has issued the check. Then he has committed suicide, my lord. That may be also there, my lord.
That means there was no such money in his account.
My lord, that may be also happened, my lord. For that
Then
torture, my lord.
why he had issued the check?
For that torture, my lord, for 1 year torture, my lord, he has given the check, my lord. Or in his account,
Had
But
it
it is
been
there,
a
the checks were issued by him. Checks were also issued by him.
him, my lord, perhaps that is here, my lord. They have annexed, my lord.
check issued on 20.
You have annexed the suicide note also here?
No,
Not
because
yet.
it's not there.
Lordship,
Your lordship will find in the this thing. Suicide note definitely will be there. You know, your lordship may protect me, and I will go and I will make a statement onto that. So that whether my custodial detention is necessary for the purpose of investigation, so far is concerned, this is admitted. Money has been taken. He committed a suicide, asking demand. I have asked the money, and whether it's an amount to amount, this my lord, abatement or not. These are the three things, my lord.
Lordship may call for CD along with the my lord suicide note, my lord. Is it on the
Heard Mr. P. Bora, the learned senior advocate, assisted by H.K. Sharma, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. Next, it is submitted by Mr. Bora, the learned counsel for the petitioner, that the present accused petitioners are innocent and they have not committed any such offense as alleged in the FIR. However, it is a fact that the accused petitioner, being the good friend of the deceased, had helped him financially, and to that effect, he had already given him rupees 11 lakhs, and to that account, to that and to substantiate the same, the bank bank statement has also been annexed along with the present petition. He further submitted that prior to his death, he also issued 2 checks dated 26/05/2025, amounting to rupees 6 lakhs. One is of 6 lakhs.
One is of 5 lakhs.
One is of 6 lakhs and one is of 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. However, till date he has not deposited the checks for encashment. Mr. Bora further submitted that it is not disputed that he given 11 lakhs of 11 lakhs to the deceased, and he also demanded the money returned back as it was given him prior to 1 year of the incident. But there was no such mental harassment or pressure put on the deceased as alleged in the FI. Mr. Bora, the learned senior advocate, further submitted that if all the petitioners are ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case, if they are granted with some kind of interim protection. Next para, Mr. Sharma, the learned additional PP, raised objection and submitted that from the FI itself, it is seen that there was a suicide note of the deceased wherein he stated that due to mental harassment of the present petitioners, he had to take such steps and committed suicide. Accordingly, Mr. Sharma submitted that the case diary will be required to know the actual fact of the case. Next prayer, considering the entire facts and circumstances of this case, including the, and also considering the bank statements submitted along with the petition vis-a-vis the checks issued by the deceased. I find that, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of interim bearers bail to the present petitioners till the receipt of the case diary. বাকিখিনি করে দিব. Okay, will be under interim protection.
Well, I'll appear before the IO. meeting
Yes, yes,
and
obviously there are
within
7
or 10 days.
10 days, okay. 10 days cooperate in the investigation.
My lord, I'll cooperate.
20 minutes, 28.
28.
I'm obliged.
208.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, CD was called for, my lord.
Petitioner of the father-in-law and the mother-in-law.
Just a second, where CD was called for.
My lord, called for, my lord, that was not received, my lord. This is from my lord Sapatgram. May I pray for my lord next week, any date, my lord? AB, anticipatory bill application, my lord.
This is anticipated. These petitioners are father and mother.
Father-in-law and mother-in-law. And the informant is.
Father-in-law, mother-in-law are very dangerous, that's what.
Assisting PP on behalf of.
Matter already settled.
Pardon?
On behalf of informant laws.
You are appearing. So let the CDB come.
My lord, give a short date, my lord.
Have you filed any objection
Matter
here?
has been amicably settled.
Pardon?
Matter has been
amicably settled by the party lordship, and the informant and the father-in-law, mother-in-law and the husband are living jointly, and
306, is this case of 306?
No.
Or what?
85.
85 and 92.
85, 92 means what?
85.
85 means what?
Earlier 498A.
Oh, at the 498A. Acha.
What is the mutual compromise?
So as per you, it has already been compromised. Have you filed any affidavit to that regard?
No. Page number 19.
No, he. Have you filed? Page number 19, what is page number 19?
Compromise.
Compromise note. Page number 19.
19. Relevant person 20 lordship. First party, Roshanara, informant.
First party?
Roshanara, Roshana Begum, informant. The second party, Zohaid Ali, and Alma Bibi, the petitioner lordship.
So this compromise is only with the father-in-law and mother-in-law?
Lord.
Huh? And her husband?
The father-in-law, mother-in-law. Husband, no, Lord. Allegation against father-in-law and mother-in-law.
Oh, only against father-in-law, mother-in-law. Have you annexed the FIR here?
FIR is page 17, lordship. Particular page, lordship.
Particular is that page?
17, 17.
17.
Mary.
It seems that the Mr. Bushaw, it seems that the signatures are also seems to be same
Lord.
in the compromise note, compromise petition, as well as in, that's what I'm just comparing. The signature put by her on the FIR as well as in the compromise note. It is a case of 498 otherwise.
498.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Bushaw, anything? Otherwise, we have not received this CD here.
And my lord, here in the my lord, vernacular part, my lord, যে মই বহুত গুৰুতৰ জখম হওঁ যিহেতু মই 3 মাহৰ গৰ্ভৱতী মহিলা সেয়ে মই মোৰ সন্তানৰ কথা ভাবি ডক্টৰৰ ওচৰলৈ যাওঁ আৰু ডক্টৰে সোনোগ্ৰাফি কৰি কয় যে মোৰ সন্তান নাই এলিগেশ্যন
That is 313 is also there.
My lord, here, my lord, it is case is registered under, my lord. One is, my lord, that is 85, another one is 92 is there, my lord. And 92 is causing death of a quick
Unborn child.
Like amount.
That is on earlier 313, I think.
That was there.
This is the allegation that you compromise this, which is that the alteration took
In that
place
regard,
between
what do you
the-
want to submit? It says that her unborn child is also died.
No, child also died, lordship, but in compromise petition, I stated. In compromise petition, I stated, lordship. That,
What you have stated?
Lordship, actually,
Read what you have stated.
I filed this.
Page number 10.
No, what you have stated, read.
Lordship, I filed the FIR to instigate by some NT element. We
By?
instigate by some NT.
But you have lost your child now? He or she, whoever he or she died in your room.
No, but
In that regard, what do you want to submit?
No, Lordship, but it is amicably settled and I'm living happy. But I am
Very happy now she is. She's very happy now after loss of her child. She is very happy. Do you want to submit? Keep forward.
There is no pregnancy,
No?
Lordship, at that time, Lordship.
Huh?
At that time, she was not in pregnancy, Lordship.
She was not pregnant.
No.
Then I don't know who made the
actual
false
fact is that
statement.
the husband was working outside, and the mother-in-law wanted the mobile phone from the informant, Lordship, to make a call phone with her son, Lordship, and the informant refused to give the mobile phone. As a result, Lordship, the altercation took place between the.
An abuse of process, then my lord. If it is so, my lord.
Obviously.
Abuse of process, my lord. And my lord, complainant should be, my lord.
Yes.
Informant should be, my lord. Some actions may be taken, my lord. If it is the story, my lord.
Mm.
Purely abuse of process, my lord.
Mm. In that regard, what do you want to submit? Purely abuse of process of law?
Lordship, actually, I have instruction from my club.
Yes, what inspection? Now he is saying that is a very completely abuse of process of law. You cannot. You're not
Yes,
supposed to. You're not bound.
Lordship.
Then
I
how?
agree with.
How? How you are if you have not lost your child also? 498 is okay. I can understand there may be some thing. But in regards to other section?
That is up to you, Lordship.
Keep forward. Come to my chamber, I'll pass you on. Okay, I'll pass you order.
Bless.
Read the order, please. Yes. It's a, we have received the case diary here.
You know, the CD not received. It is from Gorsuk, my lord. Next day, it is short date, my lord. Next week, my lord. Immediately, we will call it, my lord. Like on Tuesday or Tuesday, Wednesday, any date, my lord.
Tuesday, Wednesday, we have fixed.
Any day, as your lordship, please, my lord. Anticipated bill application, my lord.
Wednesday. From Gorchuk.
Allegation is only that, my lord, his wife was expert in medical due to wrong treatment. And the informant suspected that I have mixed some poisonous materials with the.
That's why this viscera, this most probably it has already been preserved or sent, maybe sent. So we need that the FSL report also.
My lord, CD with.
If it is your cases, then she was suffering from long medical treatment, she may die.
Specifically mentioned, madam. Mentioned, but after consuming the medicine, that was prescribed by the doctor, my lord. Whether I have any role or not, that is to be.
From Gorchuk, he is saying.
That, my lord.
Wednesday, I don't know. Wednesday may not be.
Thereafter, my lord.
30. She is saying 30.
30.
30.
30.
30. We call for
with my lord.
CD not received. Issue reminder. Call for the case diary along with the medical report.
May I pray that, my lord, in the meantime, some interim protection will grant.
No, it's a case. So how can we give interim protection? Cannot. Interim protection is no way. You just come to my chamber immediately.